Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So we were told to come here early so we could check in. So we're here. It's almost 3 o'clock. In a couple minutes. We don't actually start till like 6 o'clock. A lot of shops set up in advance. I think that's the pavilion where we'll be performing. So Silhouette's gonna go register. I guess it's at one of the other openings. Whew, honey, you should carry the car keys. All right, we're registered. And we got a little stamp. One parent is free. A second costs $5, so really reasonable. Oh, there's all the people down there. So the kids are all checked in. We're just walking back to the truck to get her sticks and stuff. Just showing you they got a lot of... This is a pretty big event, more than I thought it was. Oh yeah, that's cool. I'll have to stop by and see. Why? Oh. We got fry bread. Kai Pops. Island style popsicles, huh? I wonder what those are. Bok Bok. There's some chicken place called Bok Bok. The women's world champions here. Jerry Lee, she's right there. Yeah, she's just here to watch, she said. She talked to Silhouette and Shane and wished them good luck. Yeah, it has to be their event. Oh, I missed it. I didn't record. I just saw David Nganga Ali. He's Shirley's dad, and I think that Vi Martina is probably the one putting this on. I'm not sure, from Hawaii, but I think they're the ones that, because Master of the Flame is based out of Laie, Hawaii. So yeah, everyone's just here early. A lot of competitors showing up. A lot of the vendors getting more set up. They even have, if you remember my Matai Watches video, the company, the Samoan company from the Samoan watch company from Australia, they're here too. Oh my gosh, but there's no one at the tent yet. I'll wait till they're there and I'll have to go say hi. The drummers are just warming up. We still got like 2 hours to go. It's just they're measuring the fire knife now for the older people, the older men, and they're gonna make sure all the competitors know the rules and stuff like that. Okay, the intermediates are now growing up to draw numbers. We'll see what number she is. Looks like there's another girl, 2 girls. So it looks like there's 3 girls and like 7 boys. Cool. Gavino's first, yeah. They're putting 1 to 10 this way. A lot of Tupilapa kids in the junior competition. We have 6 out of the 10, so hopefully one of them wins something. We want them all to win because they're all winners.
Of judges as well as all of our competitors who came in from all over the world, and we're so excited to see all of this massive talent. And of course, we get to hear the amazing drum beats of our Laie Drummers Corps. But in the meantime, and in between time, don't forget, you guys, please visit our screening process.
I think she's
and make
number
sure that
6.
You guys are ready
Let's see, 1,
as
2,
we are
3, 4,
prepared
5,
to enjoy
6,
a
7,
fabulous
8.
night of
I don't know, we're
Polynesian
seeing.
culture.
We're just practicing how they're going to come out. So she's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's number 6, and there's 2 other girls. Oh, there's 3 girls in a row. 5, 6, and 7 are females. And I know the guy that number 8, he came in second at PCC, he said. He was talking to Silhouette earlier for intermediate. So this is her first time competing against boys and in the intermediate division instead of a women's division. So I just hope she's not too nervous.
Rivera representing Native Approach. Thank you for the support.
Awesome. Yeah, so these are all handmade,
Yes,
except for
so they're
walnut.
all laser engraved. My cousin does all the engraving, hand stains all item, and clear coats it, and then we help with the production, and then I help with the
trying to
events.
expedite
Nice.
tonight's competition. Make sure we stay in time. Also acknowledging all of our guidelines of the park as well. And again, we thank you guys for your understanding and your patience.
I think mommy might want that that floor mat there. That's nice. Well, thank you, sir.
For all of our finance competitors, if you'd like
And I
to
got,
burn your night
5 of
out,
these.
Go ahead and visit the far backside lawn right
Before
next
the,
to the basketball court.
The Crocs.
If there's not enough space
I also got a
there, you
ramen
have
one and
permission
some
to utilize
musubi.
the area located right where the
When the drummers don't get you pumped up, I don't know what will. I'm gonna go see if I can find. There's Silhouette watching. There's the little boy getting to line up. Let's see what her face paint looks like.
And now we'd like to introduce them one at a time, ladies and gentlemen. From my left, your right, Martin Tibang was born in Wailuku. I know that we have several non-Samoan speaking people who are here, and because my Samoan is very elementary, I'm going to continue first by going back to what we should have started with. Tongans and Samoans have certain protocols that we follow. And even though in the interest of time we get skipping over some of it, it's always going to be very important. So I just want to say, Samoa wa feel. Tupumae sama fainga. Wala nga fatawi maina sa upu. Fatawi. Ladies and gentlemen, in the junior division, your first competitor this evening is Gabino Boy Bautista. Your second competitor, Toa Aina de Abai Macomville.
kids are ours, which is awesome.
We're going to bring them out in the order of performance. Each competitor drew a number. These were the numbers they drew. Intermediate division. Competitor number 1, Akile Nerdone Maleo. Number 2, Tanner Lucky. Number 3, Tua Onanu. Number 4, Sean Suyasi Williamson. Number 5, Josiah Naivalu. Number 6, Casey Chow. Number 7, Silhouette de Panama. Number 8, Matea de Matavasio Matapana Taylor.
We're waiting the adults, so the seniors are going now, and we just want to see the results, and they're waiting till everybody's done. So I'm just gonna walk around and show you. If you can see, it's kind of dark. So. Some places have lights on though. So the pavilion's still lit up. There's still a ton of people here. I will hand it to Utah. They sure have a lot of support for their Holly Festival.
Now that all the prizes have been given, first place in the junior division for the Pulipato Master of the Flame, receiving a cash prize of $300 and all of the trophies to be awarded. First place, 2023 goes to Elway Dora!
Everyone is a winner just for getting on stage tonight.
The cash prize of $400 for third place, ladies and gentlemen, and of course the trophies to be awarded. Please give it up for Josiah Naimalu! St. George, Utah! Josiah Pampuzenda Naimalu! Total points of 469. Second place in the intermediate division for the cash prize of $500, and of course all the trophies we're going to award to none other than Dr. Silhouette
Flying like a baby.
and first place in the 2023 Pulipato Master of the Flame Intermediate Division with a total of 532 points, $600 and all of the trophies we can give awarded to Isaiah Pampuzenda!
Oh, she put the envelope to her head and held it up to God. That's so cute. I wish I would have filmed that.
Josiah Naimalu, Silhouette Alta Sanaima, and number 1 is Isaiah Pampuzenda. Please show some love for every member of the intermediate division that competed this year as we get a big group picture. I'm sure the judges will agree it was a tough competition this year. Tough competition.
Once again, for facilitator number 2. If you just joined us, welcome, and we will see you guys tomorrow for the continuance of our Polynesian Days Festival. Again, mahalo whakapitai, malua pito, ginaka whakaleu, whakapitai. Have a beautiful evening and get home safe. We love you guys. Thank you very much. Aloha.
There's our 3 champions. Well, they all got a trophy.
Fantastic. Hey, I want to thank you, Hanson. Hanson Fiso Pailei. One is standing right in front of me, Alex Naleai, and of course David Naleai. So if your hands are free, can you join me, all 5 of us? Round of applause, please, for Alex and David.